Okay, welcome back everybody for an exciting edition of how to diamond paint faster. So there's a lot going on here on this, and I'm just going to show you how to use the multiplacer and how to use it well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 10 placer, put it at the end of our pen. These come with every kit. And then I'm going to open up the wax. You can order this specially colored wax on our website if you'd like. We have about 6 or 7 different colors of wax. This one just happens to be pink. I've got yellow, blue, purple, some other colors like that. So let's open this up. Take out a piece of wax. Off one side of the wax. It's got plastic on both sides. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the wax in our pen. Now, some people say go to the edge. I like to go right in the middle. And we're going to get a good healthy dose of wax in there. So rock back and forth. Fill it up. Don't be afraid to fill it up. And then I just take my thumb and run it across the edge to get all the loose stuff that might be there. And there, our multiplacer is ready to go. Now, if you're using a multiplacer, make sure you put plenty of diamonds in the tray. So I'm going to put the entire bag of this symbol in. There's a reason why. This is an extra big tray, and you can find those on our website too. This video isn't to sell you stuff, it's to show you how to do this. But rock this from side to side, and then after you've done that for about 5 or 10 shakes, then lean it forward, but keeping the bottom edge on the diamond painting. And what that does is that lines up your diamonds nice and neat, and so now you'll be able to get 10 on your multiplacer. So there is a technique to the diamonds there. Okay, so I found a place where we have 10 right here, and I'm just gonna lift this and peel this back because this is just for demonstration purposes right here. Let's see if I can get this peeled back. I do want to put it back on. I'm gonna rip it a little bit, take it down here. Make sure you guys can see where that is going. I'll slide this down a little bit. There you go. Okay. Always cover the X-Acto knife when you're done. All right. So we've got our diamonds in the tray, and we now have to put the diamonds on the multiplacer. So this is a key maneuver right here, folks. And I'm gonna turn the tray around, make sure it's in here. But we're gonna take this thing and we're gonna put it in and we're gonna rock it. And then when we get it on top, we're gonna rock it back and forth ever so gently. Okay, we're gonna start here at the you can start right here at the very end, right here, and pick this guy up. And just rock it right and left, and bam, we've picked up 10 great diamonds. Okay, so now we've got to place these, and we go to the end of a row. You can do a row or column. We're doing a column here, and the key is get this first one in place, right? That guy's in place, and then place the last one, and then rock it back and forth. And wow, I just placed 10 diamonds. And I can go from there, and I can just keep the 10 placer in my hand and know that the next one is gonna be 6 or 7, right? It looks like about 7. And so what I do is I just guesstimate about 7 in, and I start with the end of the diamond the end of the tool right here. See, I'm just gonna start here about 7 in, right here. Rocking it. And there I only picked up 7. I didn't pick up 10. And then I can just come right here and place that. And I can just keep the 10 placer out. I can go here, I can go here, I can go here, I can go here. So that's how you use the multi-placer in diamond painting. A pretty, not an advanced technique, but right on the edge of an advanced technique. We get this email all the time and comments of how to use the multi-placer, and that's how you use the multi-placer for diamond painting. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. This is just, I just gotta move the camera a little bit. That'll straighten that out. Thank you very much.